A complete computer guide. Hi, welcome you all in my channel. Today, I have come with solved model questions of ethical and social issues in ICT. If you have not even learned these questions, then please note it and learn. First question is write the risk management of digital footprint. 1. Identify risks. Recognize threats like privacy breaches, identity theft, reputation damage, and cybersecurity threats. 2. Assess risks. Evaluate the potential impact and likelihood of data misuse. 3. Mitigation strategies. Share minimal information online. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Regularly review and update privacy settings. Audit and remove outdated or harmful content. 4. Monitoring. Track online mentions using tools, example, Google Alerts, and subscribe to breach notification services. 5. Respond and recover. Report and correct issues promptly. Change compromised credentials and seek expert help if needed. 6. Continuous improvement. Adapt strategies to emerging threats and maintain security awareness. Second question is write the advantages and disadvantages of Electronic Transaction Act, ETA. Advantages. 1. Legal recognition of e-transactions. Provides legal validity to electronic contracts, signatures, and records, fostering trust in digital commerce. 2. Encourages e-commerce growth. Facilitates secure and reliable digital trade, boosting economic activity. 3. Global standardization. Aligns with international frameworks, promoting cross-border digital trade. 4. Enhanced security. Establishes guidelines for secure transactions, reducing fraud and misuse. 5. Convenience and efficiency. Enables fast, paperless transactions, saving time and resources. 6. Consumer protection. Often includes provisions to protect users from unfair practices in electronic commerce. Disadvantages. 1. Complex implementation. Adapting businesses and government systems to comply with ETA can be costly and time-consuming. 2. Cybersecurity risks. Despite regulations, e-transactions remain vulnerable to hacking, phishing, and data breaches. 3. Digital divide. Not everyone has access to or familiarity with the technology required for electronic transactions, creating inequalities. 4. Legal disputes. Cross-jurisdictional issues can arise in international e-commerce transactions due to varying laws. 5. Privacy concerns. Collecting and storing user data for transactions can raise privacy and surveillance concerns. 6. Dependence on infrastructure. Relies heavily on stable internet and digital infrastructure, which may not be accessible everywhere. Third question is write down the objectives of ETA. 1. Legal recognition of electronic transactions. Provide legal validity to electronic contracts, signatures, and records, ensuring they're treated the same as physical documents. To facilitate e-commerce. Promote and support electronic commerce by creating a secure legal framework for online transactions. 3. Enhance security. Establish guidelines to ensure the authenticity, integrity, and confidentiality of electronic communications and transactions. 4. Promote efficiency. Reduce reliance on paper-based processes, thereby increasing speed, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness in business and government operations. 5. Consumer protection. Safeguard the rights of consumers engaging in electronic transactions and ensure fair practices in the digital marketplace. 6. Encourage innovation. Foster the adoption of new technologies and systems for secure and reliable electronic communications. 7. Global alignment. Align domestic laws with international standards and agreements to facilitate cross-border electronic commerce. 8. Support government services. Enable government agencies to provide services electronically, improving accessibility and transparency for citizens. Fourth question is, what is digital divide in the society? The digital divide refers to the gap between individuals, communities, or societies that have access to modern information and communication technology, ICT, and those who do not. This divide encompasses disparities in access to the internet, devices, digital skills, and the ability to effectively use technology. It often reflects broader social and economic inequalities. Fifth question is, what is the vision of IT Policy 2072? The Information Technology IT Policy 2072 of Nepal envisions creating a knowledge-based society by leveraging information and communication technology ICT for socio-economic development. Its overarching goal is to transform Nepal into a digitally empowered and technologically advanced nation. The key elements of the vision are: 1. Digital Nepal. Build a digitally connected and inclusive society by expanding access to ICT across all regions of the country. 2. Economic growth. Foster economic development through the promotion of ICT-based industries, e-commerce, and job creation in the technology sector. 3. Improved governance. Enhance government transparency, efficiency, and citizen engagement through the implementation of e-governance initiatives. 4. Bridging the digital divide. Ensure equitable access to ICT for all citizens, including those in rural and marginalized communities. 5. Human capital development. Develop a skilled workforce by integrating ICT education into schools, colleges, and professional training programs. 6. Innovation and research. Promote innovation and research in technology to support homegrown solutions and startups. 7. Sustainable development. Utilize ICT to address key areas like education, healthcare, agriculture, and disaster management, aligning with Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). Sixth question is, what type of citizen is called digital citizen? A digital citizen is an individual who effectively uses digital technology, tools, and platforms in a responsible, ethical, and constructive manner. Digital citizens actively participate in online communities, access information, and engage in digital communication while adhering to principles of digital etiquette, safety, and respect. For today, this much only. In next video, I will bring something new. Till then, keep watching my channel. Thank you for watching.